Over the past 3 months, our research has revealed a clear opportunity. The cadmium telluride power glass product line is mature, effective, and commercially ready. Even the base model can now replace traditional solar panels, offering higher performance, longer lifetime, and better economic returns in today's inflation-driven market. In Canada, rising construction and material costs have created the perfect moment for change. With government clean energy incentives, power glass can deliver power generation at a lower real cost to end users, turning buildings into profitable energy assets. Independent reports show that Canada's BIPV market is projected to grow at 23.3% annually over the next decade, expanding from $1 billion to $5 billion. The traditional glass industry already generates over $8.6 billion annually. Capturing just 5 to 7.5% of that market gives us a $400 to $600 million revenue base. When combined with Canada's massive roofing and facade markets, valued between $10 and $12 billion per year, power glass can replace 10 to 20% of applicable projects, unlocking an additional $1 to $2 billion annual opportunity. Together, the total addressable market exceeds $1.5 to $2 billion today, with long-term potential above $3 billion annually. Beyond Canada, global expansion opportunities are emerging, from the United States, Europe, and the UAE to developing countries like Bangladesh, India, and Africa, where power glass can provide low-cost, clean electricity for essential infrastructure. To capture this opportunity, we plan to establish a new company, Angee Power Glass BIPV, headquartered in Calgary, Alberta. Why Calgary? Because Alberta's open energy policies make it ideal for pilot projects and innovation. Phase 1. Build a nationwide sales and distribution network. 100 sales teams across Canada, with regional service partners for sales, installation, and maintenance. Warehouses will be established in Calgary, Vancouver, and Toronto for quick delivery. Phase 2. Establish a local assembly facility for custom products. Phase 3. Build a recycling center to achieve a sustainable, closed-loop system. Our mission is to create a platform for long-term development, bringing proven technologies and new materials from China to Canada's clean energy sector. We aim to generate strong profits while improving household incomes, creating hundreds of millionaire families and thousands of high-paying jobs. Our vision is not to build another billionaire, but to let families, communities, and the nation grow together through innovation and opportunity. If you share our vision, join us in building Angee Power Glass BIPV and help shape the future of clean, intelligent energy.